Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 30th, 2021. Take a look at my chart. We are going to talk about Tron and tell you all we're expecting this market price to go so that we can get in position as always, and when we need to profit accordingly based off what the price chart is giving us. We don't worry about anything else. Everything else is pretty much irrelevant. It doesn't move the market, even though you might think it does. But there's only three laws that pushes these prices. Whether it's in the cryptocurrency space, stock market, or even in commodities, there's only three laws that is applicable whenever you look at these products. So you guys want to join us, you want to learn more, make sure before you go, hit the like button, and also subscribe. We want to make sure that we build this community of trap watchers who are always on the prowl, paying attention to see what he is going to do so that we can beat him at his own game. So join us if you want. If not, I'm quite sure you can find your satisfaction somewhere else. All right. So now Tron, July the 14th, you guys can see, let me zoom in and show you that we played the weakness into the market in Tron. Cool, no problem, right? The market went pretty much where we expected it to go. We wasn't overly bearish into the market in Tron. We just told everyone within our community to expect the price to come down towards the nickel. And what do you know? The market in Tron on July the 20th, which was 6 days of trading, the price came down to where we expected it to go. And from that moment on, you guys can see the price in Tron went higher. It's just that easy, it's just that simple. There's no complication involved once you understand the actual dynamics of the market. We didn't tell everyone to be prepared to see the market in Tron go down to 4, because if so, that ultimate TP would not have touched yet, right? So we just told you all 5 cents, a nickel, and that was about 14% right there, profitability. There's no hiding. That's the actual truth. Being fully transparent, you guys can actually tell that that's what's occurred. So now let me get rid of it. So again, a lot of our cryptocurrencies that we've been covering here on this particular channel, we've been identifying how the trap has identified twice at least that he bounced the market off of support, right? And in Tron's case, it's right there around a nickel. So we still got two positive things going on into the market in Tron. One, the trap has confirmed a nickel as support, and two, the trend, the long-term ascending line, which is down here at the bottom of my chart, is still applicable. Those are two positive things. So even though Tron has made all-time highs in regards to its transactions that is doing on the blockchain, can we still see the market act accordingly, right? Because so many people try to connect events to price, and that is not what you need to do, because the market price does not connect to what you perceive to be positive news or what you perceive to be negative. The market doesn't care about those things. So we should not be tying certain accolades, milestones, newsworthy events to the price of these products. That is why, and one reason why so many people lose in this space, because they think that when some type of newsworthy event comes out, whether it's positive or negative, you are under the presumption that the market should act the same way. And that's not how it goes. It just doesn't. That is not the market dynamics. So anyone who tries to persuade you to think that this is positive and this is negative and that the market should have done that, but it doesn't, it's because they don't understand the market dynamics of this space. All right. So let me go ahead and move on. Let's look at Tron though on a 3-day time frame. Okay. So right here, let me zoom in. Okay. Because I don't want everyone to think that we are in a massive bullish uptrend. We're not there yet, but we're still bullish. You know, I'm still telling everyone in our community that we're still seeing strength here in the market, but I don't want you to be under the presumption that the market is going to go extremely, extremely high, because I definitely don't think that the market is going to give us that. Okay. So the 3-day time frame, you guys can see right here that we're still seeing strength. Okay. This last 3-day price bar, which the arrow is over, was indicative of selling coming into the market, right? So whenever you see selling coming in the market, you know the market is expected to go down, right? That's what we're expecting to happen. But take a look at the next 3-day price bar. Did it occur? No, it didn't. So the market really bought up whoever sold their Tron tokens or cryptocurrencies in the market, right? But I wanted to show you this too, because I don't want you to think that that's a dead giveaway, that the price is going to go higher, because we've also noticed that this area right here is acting as restriction. Take a look. Okay. So that is the problem right there. This horizontal line is the issue that is plaguing the price in Tron of going higher, right there around 6 cents. Okay. 0.064. So with that being mentioned, you still need to be on guard. That's why I wanted to show you that, yeah, we're still seeing the strength and the bullishness into the market in Tron, but this is the catch. That's the hook. That's the gate that is closed, that is keeping the price in Tron from going higher. And even under the presumption that we were to see the price in Tron break that, we're not too far from the next area, which is around 0.068 to 7 cents, right? Now, in percentage terms, that may seem massive, right? So let me show you. .068. It's about 12.5%, 13% movement from where we are right now to hitting 0.068. That is where I'm looking for the market and trying to go, because we've actually already touched that, like I told you. Back here during, so you guys can see this market goes all the way back here towards June the 20th. Look at this. I'm going to show you right there. This is where the market in Tron was holding support at 0.063, 0.064. We broke that to the downside, came back up. Now we're hitting some restriction again. So right now, yeah, we just need to see how low the market in Tron is going to go, period. And I can even take this further to May the 19th, 2021, to where the market in Tron came and bounced off 0.063, 0.064 as support. Like, we can utilize this to our benefit. There's no stories, no lies being told. The truth is already placed on a chart. You just got to recognize it for what it is. So right now, yeah, the market in Tron is being played with that restriction line right there. Okay. So now the question that we need to answer is, okay, that is restriction. Cool. Can we expect the market to break that to the upside? And currently, I would say, yeah. The market strength is still being maintained into the market in Tron. Now, initially from the outset, from the gate, okay, we can see the price go lower. So yeah, timing the market, like getting in right now, it's not being seen yet into the market in Tron. We have to see how low he's willing to take the market in Tron. Maybe 0.058, maybe even 0.056. But to do this on a daily basis, which we cover Tron on a weekly basis, can we still see the market go higher? And right now, yes. We're going to play the strength into the market in Tron. Our first area TP is going to be around like 0.064. 0.068 will be the first area TP for us. I'm going to bring it up there to 7. But currently, I'm seeing 0.068 as a pretty big area of restriction into the market in Tron. Okay, so that's it. Let me take it back over to the daily so you all can see it. I'm not overly bullish, but there's still some strength being seen on the chart in Tron. So we're going to continue to play that out. All right, just that simple. So your turn. What do you all think? Predict the market, call the market in Tron, and let me know where you all expect this price to go. And let's not be confusing. Let's just be on the lookout, see where market is headed in Tron. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.